Today, we will make a delicious coffee latte with the HiBREW H7B coffee machine. First, turn on the machine and let it warm up. While waiting, fill the grinder with fresh coffee beans and start grinding. Once the coffee is ground to perfection, fill the handle with coffee powder and press it firmly. Next, insert the handle into the machine and start the extraction process. Wait until the coffee is fully extracted. Meanwhile, move to the steam function and prepare a rich, creamy milk foam. Once the extraction is complete, pour the foamed milk over your freshly brewed coffee. Enjoy your smooth and aromatic coffee latte, made effortlessly with HiBREW.